Hello, today we're gonna cook simple style curry chicken. These are some of the ingredients you need to make this delicious dish that my grandma taught me. You're gonna need some ground red chili, coconut milk, garlic, at least 8 cloves, finely chopped, 1 shallot, finely chopped, 1 big yellow onion, finely chopped, 1 whole chicken cut into pieces and washed. You need to wash your chicken. A good friend of mine taught me that it's important to wash your chicken so it tastes nice and fresh. How you do it with some lemon, lime, or some salt. Let it soak for a few minutes and wash it off, and your chicken will taste delicious. And I like to add some potatoes in my curry chicken. And alright, these are some of the ingredients you need. I'll put it together in the next step. Alright, the next step here is to bring the ingredients together. First, you need a pot, okay, some cooking oil, be about 2 tablespoons. Okay, you need to add all your onions, the shallots and garlic, let it saute for a few minutes. About medium high temperature will be alright. You don't want to burn it, just want to bring out all the aroma in the ingredients. At this point, I like to add a little bit of salt. And I'll give it a few minutes for it to saute. Okay, now that I've sauteed it for a few minutes, I'm going to add the red chili pepper. I'll be careful here. Make sure you don't put too much and become too spicy. If you like it spicy, great. But for me, maybe about 2 tablespoons. We'll start with that. Okay, and then taste it later, and you can always add more. I'm going to saute this. Ooh, I can smell it. The heat is getting to me. There you go. We'll cook it a little bit more. Then we're going to set this aside and get the chicken ready. Okay, for the chicken, what we're going to do is get a saucepan. Add a little bit of oil. You don't need too much oil here because the chicken has chicken fat. Make sure the pan is hot enough. Okay, once your pan is hot enough, you can add the chicken. Okay, we're going to brown the chicken a little bit. Okay, this will take a few minutes. Okay, when the chicken is brown all around, we're going to add it to the sauce we made over here. So at this point, I'm still browning. The browning process here is to get rid of excess water in the chicken so that we can concentrate the flavor. It will take a few minutes depending on how hot your stove is. My stove here is an energy efficient stove. In other words, it's not that hot, so it will take a while. It's not cooking. I'm just getting out the excess water. Once most of the water has come out of chicken and evaporated, we will add this chicken into the sauce and onions and garlic and shallots here in the chili. It's warming. It's just getting better and better every minute. Okay. So it's been about 10 minutes now. I got most of the water out. So we're going to be adding this chicken into the onions and sauce goodies in here. I will be moving the pot over. Okay, we're going to bring all this together. Yummy, yummy. Okay, now what we're going to do now is to add a cup of chicken stock here. We'll bring up the temperature, bring it to boil, and cook it for maybe like 20 to 30 minutes. We'll be right back. Okay, well, I lied. I'm going to go ahead and add the potatoes because I'm hungry. So we can get the potatoes and chicken ready at the same time, okay? Okay, it's been simmering here about 20 minutes now. I'm going to add the coconut milk. 1 can of coconut milk should be enough. We're going to mix it. Okay, let it bring up to a boil, and then turn it down and let it simmer for another maybe half an hour. And curry chicken will be ready to go. See you later. Well, after half an hour, looks like the curry is ready to go. The potato is nice and soft, chicken tender. Hope you like this. Enjoy. It's dedicated to my friend's son who loves this dish. I hope you can enjoy this dish as often as you like. Hey, dedicated to you, Michael.